We always bring peace, the stories of our fellow Filipinos abroad. It grounds me, and at the same time, it reminds me how hard it is.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Ayan, medyo iba naman yung performance namin. I'm sure maraming matutuwa ng gugulat. Actually, for me, it's the other way around. I always bring a piece of the stories of our fellow Filipinos abroad. And it grounds me, and at the same time, it reminds me how hardworking we are.
And yesterday, umalis na rin si Kim, for sure naabang kayo ng fans doon sa Birmingham. Ano yung naabang
Ayan, medyo iba naman yung performance namin. And I'm sure maraming matutuwa at magugulat sa gagawin.
Alright, thank you so much, Paula. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Picture lang po for us sa social. One photo lang din. Ay, grabe naman to.
I now want to screw here in the middle. Ay, pamusog lang po. Pero